Welham Motors was introduced in 1947 by Ken Welham, and then in 1964 he launched it into a diesel shop, and then that's where we are today. It's like I say, it's family-run business. It's still owned by the Welhams. It is, as much as the Welhams themselves don't work on the premises. It's run by directors, and they've got a great bunch of guys that can offer all the advice that they need. We don't mind giving advice out. It's not all about the money, it's about the service to the customer it is. And at the end of the day, we want to make sure that customers return to us and they feel that they've got satisfactory for money. In the diesel side, we offer vehicle diagnostic work. We also do a bit of site work. We've gone back in time with the history of the company, and we now specialise a lot in the vintage market. We offer a service all the way from the top of Scotland all the way down to the bottom of Devon, and then, like I say, it's a worldwide business as well, because we've sold parts over to New York, Canada, Australia, and we're even Netherlands, France, Spain. We offer it worldwide.